Welcome to this technical guide on the Conga 4090. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your Conga 4090 is making a weird noise, it could be due to a few issues such as a faulty motor or debris caught in the brush. Ignoring this problem may lead to further damage and could even result in a complete breakdown. Addressing it promptly is essential to ensure your device continues to function effectively. For this repair, you'll need a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, a pair of tweezers, and some replacement parts, which can be easily sourced online. To begin, ensure that your Conga 4090 is turned off and unplugged. Carefully use the flathead screwdriver to pry open the casing without damaging the plastic clips. Once you've opened it, locate the motor area, as this is usually where the noise originates. Inspect for any visible damage or debris. If you see anything obstructing the motor, use your tweezers to gently remove it. If the motor itself is faulty, you'll need to unscrew it using the Phillips screwdriver. Be mindful of the screws, they can be quite small, so place them in a safe location. When pulling out the motor, gently disconnect any attached cables. Take care not to damage nearby components during this process. Once you've replaced the faulty motor with the new one, reconnect the cables securely and reassemble the casing. Remember to press the clips back into place firmly but gently. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. To prevent this issue from recurring, ensure you regularly clean the brush and check for debris before each use. Additionally, avoid using the device on excessively dirty surfaces that can contribute to motor strain. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.